Hey guys, it's TRAFFICONS, and today I got a cameraman from Craigslist. So let's tune into the montage and see what he or she was able to record for me today. Thank you. And honestly, one thing that I realized I've never got the opportunity to do was hear my car on camera. So today I'm basically gonna get my first ever flyby after 7 years. I'm basically trying to get the exhaust sound from the outside. So let's see how this goes. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do is basically get the exhaust clip. So I'm gonna start the car and get it on the exhaust. Let's go to the back and get the. All right, now let's give it some revs. Alright, so now I'm gonna just get a quick flyby. Alright. If you want more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe for future videos.
Oh my gosh, that all fell.
Hey guys, in the video we didn't go past more than 40 miles an hour. Thanks to my Craigslist cameraman for getting these shots. I really appreciate it. Tune in for the next one.